Hey guys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to install the VirtualBox Guest Edition on a Red Hat 8 CentOS 8 virtual machine. The VirtualBox Guest Edition software enables seamless integration between the host machines, which is this physical computer that I'm using, as well as the guest system, which is this VM in by itself. The VirtualBox Guest Edition helps make the best out of your guest operating system for better suitability and usability. So the very first thing we need to do is once you have your VM up is make sure that it has all the latest and greatest patches installed. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to root. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and execute. So I've already done a yum update and it's completed for me. You may have some updates to run, but once your update has completed, go ahead and execute the following commands. Yes. Alright, so the next package that we need to install is make and perl. Yes, we want to install. Alright, now that has completed as well. So we're going to go ahead and install the kernel-devel. So go ahead and yes. Alright, great. So that installed as well. So one more we have to do. Yum install elfutils-libelf-devel. You could give it the -y option so that you don't have to keep on pressing the Y for yes, I'm sure I want to install this. There we go. Okay, great. So all those packages have been installed. Now what we want to do is sorry about that. Come here and under devices, click on insert guest edition on the top left hand side. Click back on the virtual machine. So you'll get this this little pop-up. Go ahead and click on run. So this will go ahead and attempt to install the VirtualBox Guest Edition. This may take some time. For some of you guys, it may say click return. There'll be a pop-up here. And you know, you'll see that nothing happens, and at that point you'll have to reboot the machine, and once you reboot the machine it should work. But for some of you guys, you'll see that it automatically enlarges the screen. For the sake of this video, I'm going to fast forward this part just so we can get to the point. Alright, so there we go. Now you have a full screen to work with, opposed to the little small little box that you had to squint your eyes to see. So I hope it's worked out for you guys. I'll go ahead and write the step-by-step instructions in the description box below, just so you guys can follow through there as well. If you guys have any questions, comments, please comment below, and I'll do my best to answer any of your questions. Hope you guys are doing well, and have a good day. Or if you're not watching this at night, have a good night. I'll speak to you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.